Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do my first BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of October. I'll be trying them on for you today. For those of you who don't know, BOXYCHARM is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 4 to 5 full-size products for only $25 a month. It used to be $21 a month, but now it's gonna be $25 a month because you get to choose one item from your box, and the value of the box went up. It used to be $100, now it's $125 value box. So let's get started. So I already opened it, but this is how it looks. You get a little pamphlet. The theme for this pamphlet is After Dark. So it tells you what you got in your box and the price and information of the items that you got in your box. So now they're gonna have an even bigger box. So there's BOXYCHARM, the base. Now there's gonna be BOXYCHARM Premium, and there's a BOXYLUXE. So here's introducing the bigger BOXYCHARM Premium. This one is gonna be a beauty box worth of over $175 value for only $35 a month. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna get is the iconic London. Let's see what this is. The lid just flew off. So it says Prep Set Glow. It's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. This stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. This retails for $29. Okay, so let's try it for the first time ever. Ooh, it sprays a lot. You can see that glow already. Oh God. It smells so good. I like the smell of it. It smells like body spray, some kind of body spray to me. Let me see. So it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's not bothering me. I like it. So now we're gonna go to the next thing in my box. I'm gonna go with this. This is the Dose of Color 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with, so this retails for $32. So my palette is Sassy Sienna. Let's open it. I did open the box, but I didn't open or use anything inside the box. This is so pretty. That's what they look like. It brings a little brush here. This looks good for detailing, and this. Maybe we can blend something out. So I'm gonna go in with this brush from Moda from the metallic set. And I'm gonna go in with this shade in the middle. It's powdery, but I'm okay with that. So here we go, here we go. It's definitely pigmented. This is blending beautifully. I'm loving this. I love it. This is gorgeous. I love it. So next we're gonna go in with this shade. I'm gonna go in with this angled brush from Moda. This is also from the metallic set. I'm gonna put this all over my lids. So I'm actually gonna use the little brush that it came with. And I'm gonna use the dark brown. And I'm gonna put this in the outer corner. So with the same brush, I'm gonna pick up Rusty Orange. And I'm gonna put this on the lash line. So the next thing I have here is a long black eyeliner pencil. And this is Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. This retails for $7. And I literally put eyeliner right here. The next thing I have in my box is this brow gel from Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This retails for $16. I'm opening it for the first time. I hope this don't make my brows too dark. This is a little bit too big for me. I don't know how I feel about that. So far, I don't think it's bad though. So the next item I have in my box is a lip liner from Jante Blue. And this is not in my pamphlet because I actually switched this item with a friend of mine. The item that I had in my box was a mascara duo from Hank and Henry. But that mascara was not waterproof, so I know I was not gonna use it. So I just gave it to my friend, and she didn't want this red lip liner, so I got this lip liner. So I don't know how much this is. I think this retails for like $5 or $7. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna line my lips with this, and I'm gonna fill my lips in with this because I don't have no red lipstick. Surprisingly, I like this pencil. It's not dry like most of the lip liners that BOXYCHARM likes to send. Okay, I think this is really comfortable on my lips. It's not drying, and I think it goes very well with my eye look. So this was the last item in my box. There's nothing else in here. So I think I really like my box this month. I really love. I think I'm really gonna enjoy this Iconic London setting spray. This black eyeliner, I'll be using it. This Mellow brow gel, I will have to keep on trying it to see if I really like it. The red lip liner, I really love it. And last but not least, my favorite item are the Dose of Colors 5 eyeshadow palette. I just love it. The blending, the shades is very fallish. So the value for this box for this month is $103 with the Hank and Henry mascara duo. But since I switched, basically my box value is $89 or $91 because I don't know how much is the pencil. I think it's like $5 or $7. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be uploading videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. Please let me know what else you would like to see, what kind of makeup looks, if you want to see some Halloween makeup looks for this month. So that's it, guys. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.